Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now, and I'll come back with another video. Amen. Say, man, like, comment, subscribe down below on what y'all want to see next. Protect and serve your hair at Up Next Lifestyle. Make sure y'all go cop that Satin line beanie. Also, Patreon dread journey down below, man. Make sure y'all go tap into it. If you got dreads, if you got any questions about your dreadlocks, anything like that, make sure y'all tap into that Patreon down below. 24/7 live, you know what I'm saying, Discord chat with me and other subscribers. Now, starting off with this cut, you know what I'm saying, I use some black seed oil and aloe to basically lay my hair down just to get the cut like more smoother. You know what I'm saying? As you see, like I got coarse hair. You know what I'm saying? I got coarse hair, so if I only thing I really gotta do, I mean, I got coarse hair, but at the same time, I got a really tight curl pattern. You know what I'm saying? So all I gotta really do is lay my hair down. You know, as you see right here, it makes a big difference. It makes a huge difference if you brush your hair before the cut. You know what I'm saying? Before the cut, during the cut, and after the cut, it makes a huge difference. You know what I'm saying? Just cause if you don't brush your hair like before the cut, it'll like still make it seem like, you know what I'm saying, like you still got what they call like naps, and they call it naps, but I'm gonna just I'm gonna just call it curls, like, cause all it is like a really tight curl pattern, bro. And ain't nothing wrong with having like 4C or very tight, very tight curl pattern in your hair, bro. Like I know like a lot of people probably be. I know growing up it was like really shamed on, like, oh, you got bad, so-called bad hair. I really don't think it's a such thing called bad hair. I mean, you can either take care of your hair or you can choose not to take care of your hair, anything like that. But all I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna speed up past this part because I was doing a lot. You know what I said? I was doing a lot, and I'm applying this band right here just so I won't cut any part of my dreads. You know what I'm saying? And I do this to my own hair. I really won't do this to like a client hair. And yeah, bro. Up Next Lifestyle. Make sure I go check out the new Satin line beanie. Dude, it's all it is a do rag inside of a beanie. But yeah, so I'm gonna start cutting others' hair too. You know what I'm saying? Like I've been cutting my hair for like probably like a year and some change now. You know what I'm saying? I'm really good at it. I ain't gonna sit here and cap to y'all. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to myself. I'm really decent as hell at it. You know what I'm saying? Like I see a lot of barbers who, and I feel like I'm decent at it and I'm good at it because I actually took the time to actually learn it. You know what I'm saying? I actually took the time and I actually started with myself. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know what other barbers do, but all I know is what I do. You know what I'm saying? And you see the results at the beginning, and I'm showing you right here that I'm actually cutting my own hair. This ain't nobody else. Like y'all seen in the last video, I cut my brother's hair. You know what I'm saying? And when I cut my brother's hair again, it's gonna look even better. You know, so yeah. So at Up Next Cut It, if you in the Atlanta area, that's at upnext.cut it. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I go book y'all appointments. You know what I'm saying? Booking starting Monday. So yeah, I'm gonna start cutting other people's hair Monday. So yeah, it's gonna be house calls, appointments only. You feel me? And we just gonna work it through there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, man, during the haircut, I'm brushing it down too. I'm brushing it. You know what I'm saying? I'm brushing it. So I started off with fading both sides, and y'all know I usually do like an all around fade, but this time I didn't want all around fade because, I mean, I just wanted to show off my more of my fading skills. You know what I'm saying? So more of my fading skills. So as you see right here, man, I'm using my outliners to basically set the guideline and do that type jump. I ain't really trying to talk your head off through the video, but um yeah. And like every time I make a self cut video, man, it really be like to inspire others to start cutting their own hair. Now, like me, like I got a set mindset on, okay, I'm not retwisting my own head because I just I don't have the time for it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't have the time and the patience to sit down there and learn how to retwist, and that's not something that I want to do. You feel me? So if you're not interested in cutting your own hair or anything like that, I'm not trying to persuade nobody into cutting their own hair. I'm just trying to I'm trying to inspire the people that already got that thought in their mind, like, hey, like I low key want to cut my own hair, or like, hey, I do want to save $40 a week, you know what I'm saying, or $40 every 2 weeks. Because either way you look at it, bro, you spending 80 dollars, $80 a month. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is that? That's damn near car insurance, damn near half of car insurance. You dig what I'm saying? Like, and that's on like a low end type car, maybe like a Honda or something like that. But like, yeah, man, and if you do it weekly, what? That's 160. You get what I'm saying? That's 160 for a month. So like, yeah, you definitely paying car insurance. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just showing y'all right here. You know what I'm saying? My little fading skills. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too major. You feel me? Nothing too major. And right here, I'm the reason why you see me touching my face is because I'm pulling my skin down to actually see the fade. You know what I'm saying? All I'm probably doing right here is either looking at something, texting somebody, or trying to text somebody back at the same time as I'm cutting my hair. You know what I'm saying? To make sure everybody like straight. You feel me? Because I'm currently not currently, but I was cutting my hair at like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning. Cause I don't operate on normal time. You feel me? I don't wake up and be like, hey, I'm about to go put in some work. Like, hell no. Like, I love making videos around the 12, 1, 2, 3, around the AMs, because it ain't no distractions. You know what I'm saying? I can get what I want done, and I usually edit the videos right after I shoot it. But today we doing something different. And as you see, man, you see that I got my curls to basically lay down all around my head. You can see from the back of my head. You can see from the side of my head. Like, at first, the curls was very tight. You know what I'm saying? But all I did was I applied that black seed oil and that aloe, man, and I laid them down and I brush it. And as you see, I continue to brush my hair. Now, this is not a tutorial. I'm not giving no tutorial. It's basically a look. Look, I evolved myself into this. You know what I'm saying? I transformed myself into this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I could make a tutorial on telling you guys, hey, like, saying open lever, close lever. If y'all want me to, just comment down below. I will do that. They go to brush again. I feel like the brush is very important because during the haircut, I know y'all told y'all before the haircut to lay your hair down, but during the haircut, you really want, because I gotta see, is there still a line in my head? You know what I'm saying? If you a barber or beginner or whatever, like, you know that line. You don't want a line in your hair. And here go the results. I basically, it probably took me an hour. You know what I'm saying? You see, I shaped up my mustache, I shaped up my beard. A dude asked me, he was like, hey bro, you cut hair? I'm like, yeah, like you shape up your mustache. I'm like, yeah, bro, that's a part of cutting hair, ain't it? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so you see it, man. You see what we came from. You see where we at now. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. You dig? And all I did was I didn't give myself no back taping on nothing. But, you know, something like, you feel me? Like I said, man, book at upnextmalyt. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I go book that. I'll just put it on the screen right now. And yeah, I'll catch y'all folks later, man. Make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, comment anything that y'all want to see down below. Okay, now why is you smiling? Catch y'all later, bro. Peace.